A very good day to you, boys and girls. Today we want to move on with our topic, which is business accounting. Today we want to look at the statement of profit and loss and other comprehensive income. So basically, we want to look at the items that we are supposed to include as well as the format of making the statement. To start with, when you are preparing the statement, you have to write the name of the company at the top, that is XYZ Limited or whatever, Chimsoro Limited, whatever. Then followed by the statement of profit and loss and other comprehensive income for the year ended 31 December 2016. However, this gets vary depending on the financial period of the company. Other companies' financial year ends in July, May, all depends. So the first item we want to look at today is the sales. So basically what we need to do here is to subtract what we call cost of goods sold from sales so as to get the gross profit. When we are looking at sales, we actually see the goods that the company has sold during the year. So we need to subtract cost of goods sold. And under cost of goods sold, we have two items, that is the opening stock and the purchases. Opening stock is the stock that we have brought forward from the previous year. And then purchases are the goods that we have bought during that year for resale. So when we add these two items, we get what we call the goods available. It is not usually the case that we have to finish all the stock. So sometimes we may have the other stock which remains unsold. This is called closing stock. So we have to remove it from this financial year so that it will be included in the year in which it will be sold. So when we subtract this closing stock from the goods available, we get the cost of goods sold. Hence, the cost of goods sold is subtracted from the sales. Bracket simply means we are subtracting. So when we have subtracted sales less cost of goods sold, we get what we call gross profit. We also need to subtract items like operating expenses from the gross profit so as to get the company's net profit. Expenses include items like rent, wages, electricity. There are so many expenses that we need to include. So when we have subtracted these expenses, we get what we call net profit. So the main or basic aim of preparing this statement is to find out whether the company has made profit or loss. So I'll give you an example, send you an example, so that you aid yourself in practice in making this statement of profit and loss and other comprehensive income. For today, I